the One Cebu Party earlier announced through Mr. Winston Garcia, Attorney Winston Garcia, na nagbitiw na po sila from UNA. And if I may be allowed po, this is part of his statement. UNA treated One Cebu like Imperial Manila treats the rest of the Philippines with absolute contempt and disrespect. This is part of his statement po. May we get your reaction na po? Thank you.
Well, we respect their decision. But let me just assure you, people of Cebu, that the promises and the commitments I made, when I become president, firstly, I'll be holding in Cebu yung Malacanang o sa may tabi ng City Hall. Yung mga projects na to make Cebu more competitive, I'll be supporting that. Let's just put it this way. There are losses and there are gains. Alam nyo, hindi nga kami nagkakausap. Yun nga ho ang nangyari dito. Must admit, no, kung meron man pagkukulang, hindi ko nalalaman yun. Hindi ho kami nagkausap personally, eyeball to eyeball, kahit na sa telepono ni Governor Garcia sa mangyayari.
With this po, ano pong next move ng UNA ngayon? Is there still possible reconciliation to get back the support? Or is there still a chance?
Basta kami, ako personally, ako optimistic ako.